Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to manage push notifications in the Twitch app on your Android phone. Controlling notifications helps you avoid distractions and get alerts only for what matters most. Let's dive into the easy steps. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Next, make sure you're in the profile section by tapping your profile icon. Then tap on Account Settings. After that, select Notifications from the list. Now click on Mobile. Here you see all types of push notifications available. Finally, toggle off any notification types you no longer want to receive. Your changes will update instantly. That's all there is to it. Managing your Twitch push notifications is simple and helps improve your app experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.